Care Bear. God dang.
Jesus.
What the fuck was that?
But
That was loud.
Yeah.
That's not a sneeze, bro. Why'd you yell? You're like those guys, bro. You're like those guys in the fucking like library, so they're just doing it.
I promise it was indeed a sneeze. What the fuck is this? Balls?
What?
did you
What?
say?
Balls?
Oh,
Balls?
boiler.
What are you talking about? Balls? What the hell are you on
Balls and
about?
boilers?
What's going
Fucking
on?
playing Warframe, as y'all know.
Oh shit, I haven't
Oh.
hopped on Warframe in a hot minute.
This is Steve from the Thomas Podcast, and I just wanted to say subscribe. And also, don't go to college, kids. There's really no point going to college if you don't know exactly what you want to do in college, because you end up just wasting your money on useless classes that won't really go towards your major. So yeah, don't go to college. That's about it. See ya.